The Nice Old Witch. Once upon a time, there lived three witches. The first and second witch received a letter from the princess to attend a birthday party, but the third witch didn't got invited. The first two witches went to the princess' birthday party and gave her presents. They enjoyed a lot. The third witch got angry and went to the party. She cursed them all to sleep. Everyone slept. She then ate the cake and opened the presents. She played a lot by scribbling on the other witches and finally got bored. She now realized how lonely she is. She again baked a cake, made the presents ready for the princess, and went to her place. She waited for 100 years. After 100 years, her curse broke. Everyone woke from sleep and returned to their normal life. Now, the third witch got a letter from her messenger crow which got delayed. It was an invitation to the princess' birthday party. She felt happy and went to the birthday party. She now blessed the princess and enjoyed the party with all of them. Thank you.